Hey everybody, it's Julie and welcome to my kitchen. As everybody can see, I've kind of changed up things for the first of the new year. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and I hope everybody had a wonderful new year. Stayed home, went to sleep. My shoulder's been giving me problems. I'm probably going to have surgery on it, but anyway, that's besides the point. I'm not going to sit here and complain like a lot of people do. Anyway, we're going to make a Texas sheet cake today. I'm still tasty in Texas, but I've revamped I'm revamping everything. For the simple fact, people aren't finding me. And you know, when you're making sugar-free stuff, you want people to find you. So anyway, I'm gonna flip y'all around and let y'all see what we need. Okay, what we're gonna be needing is chopped pecans, flour, vegetable oil, baking soda, sour cream. We are going, instead of semi-dark chocolate, we're going to use, semi-sweet milk chocolate, we're going to use dark chocolate because it's lower in sugar. It's better for you. 4 eggs, salt, vanilla. I'm using the Great Value granulated no-calorie sweetener. Butter. It says Dutch chocolate, but guess what? We're going to use Hershey's cocoa. Okay, so I knew I wasn't going to have a big enough pan cookie sheet because I use the littler ones, so I can get the exact 12 that I need. Actually, I got them at Dollar Tree. Line them with parchment paper or foil. I'm good to go. Anyway, I forgot to tell y'all. I'm using a foiled cookie pan because that's what it calls for, is a cookie sheet. But I don't have one big enough, so I'm making do with what I got. If I need to, I can flip the sides up and put some foil around it if I need it deeper. We improvise around here. If you don't have it, have the exact ingredients. You can substitute whatever you want to substitute. Like if I didn't have pecans, I'd put walnuts. But it is a Texas sheet cake, so you know what? Yeah, we need pecans. Okay, so what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to add my my flour, my sugar substitute, my sweetener, and my salt into my bowl.
I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time. Dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it.
And I'm going to add my baking soda to my mixture also, and I'm going to whisk it. Okay, now what I'm going to do in this step is I'm going to add my sour cream and my 2 eggs and my 2 egg yolks. And this is a 1/4 of a cup, I do believe. I'll have the recipe in the description. And you're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I put a little bit more because I just emptied my bottle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to whisk this together till it is smooth. And I'll blend it in together.
Keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track.
Okay, now what I'm going to do here is add my wet ingredients, which is my water and my oil. I forgot the icing calls for Karo syrup, but we're going to use the Splenda Multi used syrup. Now we're going to add our 1 cup of chocolate, dark chocolate, to our oil and water. This will be the liquid base for our cake mix. We're also going to add our 1/2 cup of cocoa. Four tablespoons of butter, and you're going to split it up into the tablespoons so then that way it'll melt evenly. You need to watch your cocoa mix because it will burn. I had to turn mine down because my stove sometimes stays hotter than what it's supposed to be, so I turned my burner down underneath my liquid, and now I'm going to mix it in with my cake, my flour and my sugar. Now we're going to add our egg and sour cream mixture. You're going to add it slowly because it is a hot mixture and you don't want your eggs to clabber or scramble in your mixture. Then you're going to mix well until creamy. It's all mixed together. We're going to add this to prepared greased pan. I used baking spray, so you can do whatever. You can grease your pan and put flour on it, or you can use baking spray. It's up to you. Like I said, make it your own. I was going to roast these, but I decided to make it a little bit more chopped up before adding them to my pan and roasting them. You're going to toast these on medium heat until they're nuttiful and flavorful smell. I don't know how to describe the smell. It's just a very beautiful, aromatic. Okay, what we're needing for our icing is sweetener, the no-calorie sweetener, the Splenda 0-calorie sweetener, multi-use syrup, Hershey's cocoa or dark, whatever they want, whatever you want, vanilla, heavy whipping cream, and 8 tablespoons of butter. Oh yeah, and toasted pecans. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt my butter and start adding my ingredients. It calls for a half a cup of whipping cream, or 2/3. I'll have the recipe in the description. Like, I turn my fire down.
Up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again.
Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add my powdered chocolate and my cream, and I'm going to mix it to where it is thoroughly creamy. I'm going to add my vanilla and my syrup. Now I'm going to add my sugar. You can use the Swerve powdered sugar, which would probably be better, just because of the sweetness of it and the creamy texture, because this took a little bit to make it creamy, the consistency that I needed. So you might want to do that, and watch the temperature because it will burn very easily because of the butter. Okay, now we're going to check our cake. I'm going to stick a clean knife in. When it comes out clean, that means it's done. And we're almost ready to put our icing on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add half, or maybe a little under half, of my pecans to my fudge icing. Then we're going to spread the icing all over the top, and then we're going to let it set up. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope y'all try it. You can use confectioner's sugar, which I probably should have used, but I didn't have any. It's good. Anyway, I hope y'all have a great day and a Happy New Year. But subscribe, tell your friends about me, share, and I will talk to y'all later. Thanks a bunch. Bye.